Hello man cavers, very short video today. What have I been doing? Well, the little mini tractor. Last time you see it we had disasters where it shared the flywheel key and a nightmare. Anyhow, after much looking about and researching, I managed to find a nut for the flywheel. Turned out to be 7/16 UNF. Oh, don't you love the American system? Anyhow, I have got the flywheel back on, and there were some other bits I did to the little machine. Pretty boring bits. I was basically fitting the tin work back on and bits, so I didn't get that on camera. Please don't be upset about that, but you'll see what she looks like. So are you ready? Dun, 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 dun. There we go. All we've got is our little cover to cover the chain up, which I haven't quite painted yet. The throttle control, I need to get some smaller nuts and bolts than what I carry, because I need two tiny little nuts and bolts to hold this throttle control in place. But they are tiny. So yeah, there she is, guys. I need to make a front grille because there was never one in it, and I think it would benefit from a front grille. There are actually two holes, it looks like, to put one in. So there we go. That is what our little John Halston mower, Mac mower, whatever you want to call it, that is what she looks like. Isn't she absolutely beastie? If I come down here, we've managed to find an exhaust muffler. That's off a 3.5 horsepower. I will be painting that. This is just really a rough fit. And the original, if you remember, oh, excuse that horrible squeak. If you remember, the original was just a pipe sticking out the side. Where are we? There we go. Yeah, that's what we had originally, a pipe sticking out the side. I found an old, looked like 3/4 BSP pipe fitting, which fitted on, and a Briggs & Stratton silencer screwed into that. So once this little lot is painted in black, I'll do that in heat resistant black paint. I haven't quite finished yet, couple of little jobs to do. But the flywheel key is fitted, and it does run. So I've had it running. And yeah, make a bit of grass off. That is what she looks like. There's our paint finish. That hasn't been polished, it hasn't been wet sanded, that's straight out the gun. So that's what our 2K paint finish looks like. So yeah, there you go. She just wants a final clean, seat back on. There you go, fellas. Thought you guys might like to see the progress of the little Mac Halston, whatever you want to call it, man cave mower. But don't she look a beast? Get ground level with her. Da, da, da. There's a grey Fergie in the background that puts it in context, don't it? Yeah, don't she look like a mini hot rod, look. Da, 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 da. That looks right cool. Yeah. There she is. Little mini hot rod. So, once I get that throttle cable bolted in and a couple of little bits of final fettling, I will get a video of this thing actually driving. And hopefully she'll be good. We'll be riding around the field next time. So, I'm going to leave this video right here, right now. Very quick video. It was just an update of what I have been doing with that. Because on the last video I was doing something else. Can't quite remember what, but I said I would be getting back on with that, and there we are. I've had a little day on that today. But it was quite boring what I did. It was basically putting tin work on. So it wouldn't have been much of a video, to be honest with you fellas. It was just self-tapping screws and, yeah, putting the tin work on and getting it to line up. So I didn't bother recording it because I thought that's going to be a bit boring for you. But there's the end result. That's what we're left with. And, yeah, that's going to be it now. So, this is Man Cave signing out. Bye-bye for now. Ha ha!